Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Julia.
And I'm Jack. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy. How are you today?
I hope you are good. I hope you are ready to learn English with us.
Today is a special day. Today we talk about studying English alone.
Yes, many people study alone, at home, no teacher, no class.
And that is okay. You can study alone and still get better.
Yes, you can improve. We will show you how.
So before we start, please do one thing.
Yes, please click the subscribe button right now.
Subscribe. It helps us so much and it's free.
And click the like button too. We love likes.
Yes, if you like this video, click like. Easy.
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Great, let's start. Jack, tell me, do you study alone sometimes?
Yes, I study alone every day, at home, in my room.
Me too. I study alone, but sometimes I feel I don't know what to do.
Yes, that is the problem. Many people feel this.
So today we will help. We will give you a plan.
A simple plan, easy to follow.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, Julia, let me ask you something.
Yes, what?
When you study alone, what do you do?
Good question. Sometimes I watch videos,
Okay, that's good.
but sometimes I just sit there. I look at my phone.
Me too. I sit down, I say, today I will study English.
Yes, and then?
And then, nothing. I don't know what to do.
Exactly. This is the big problem.
Many people have this problem. You want to study, but you don't have a plan.
No plan. That's the problem. Say it with us. No plan.
No plan.
Repeat. No plan.
Good. So, what happens when you don't have a plan?
You feel confused. You feel lost.
Yes, lost. You don't know where to start.
You open your book. You close your book. You watch one video. You stop.
Yes, and then you feel bad. You think, why can't I study?
But it's not your problem. You are not lazy.
No, you just need a simple plan.
Yes, a plan. Everyone needs a plan.
Okay, so today we will give you a plan, step by step.
Easy steps. Anyone can do it.
Are you excited?
I am excited. Let's learn together.
Okay, here is our plan. It has 3 parts.
Only 3. Very simple.
Part 1, make a goal.
Part 2, listen and read.
Part 3, speak and write.
That's it, 3 parts. Let's say them again.
Okay, part 1,
Make a goal.
part 2,
Listen and read.
part 3.
Speak and write.
Perfect. Now repeat with us. Say, make a goal.
Make a goal.
Good. Now say, listen and read.
Listen and read.
Great. Now say, speak and write.
Speak and write.
Excellent. These are the 3 parts. Write them down.
Yes, take a paper, write goal, listen and read, speak and write.
This is your study plan. Easy, right?
Very easy. Now let's talk about each part.
Yes, let's start with part 1.
Okay, Jack. Part 1 is make a goal. What does that mean?
Good question. A goal is something you want to do.
Like, I want to speak English better?
Yes, but that is a big goal. Too big.
Too big? Why?
Because you need small goals. Small is better.
Ah, small goals. I understand.
For example, don't say, I want to be fluent.
Why not?
Because fluent is too big. It takes years.
Oh, so what should I say?
Say something small, like, this week I will learn 10 new words.
Oh, that's small. That's easy.
Yes, small goals are good. You can finish them.
Okay, give me more examples.
Okay, example 1. Today, I will listen to English for 10 minutes.
Good. That's small.
Example 2. This week, I will speak English for 5 minutes every day.
I like that. 5 minutes. Easy.
Example 3. Today, I will write 5 sentences in English.
Perfect. Small and clear.
Yes, clear. That's important. Your goal must be clear.
Clear means easy to understand.
Yes, you know exactly what to do.
Okay, so everyone listening, think now.
Yes, think, what is your goal for today?
Maybe your goal is, I will finish this video.
Yes, good goal.
Or maybe I will learn 5 new words today.
Perfect. Write your goal in the comments.
Yes, tell us, what is your goal today? Write it.
We want to read your goals.
Okay, so part 1 is make a small, clear goal.
Yes. Now let's talk about part 2.
Part 2, listen and read. This is my favorite part.
Why is it your favorite?
Because listening is fun, reading is fun.
Yes, and listening and reading help you learn new words.
Exactly. So, Jack, when you study alone, what do you listen to?
I listen to podcasts like this one.
Good choice.
I listen to simple English podcasts, slow and clear.
Yes, slow is important. If it's too fast, you don't understand.
Right, so find podcasts that are slow.
Or find videos for English learners like ours.
Or find videos for English learners like ours.
Okay, now here is a tip, a very important tip.
What is it?
When you listen, don't just listen one time.
Oh, listen many times?
Yes, listen again and again.
Why?
Because the first time you understand maybe 50%.
Okay.
The second time you understand 70%.
Oh, more.
The third time you understand 90%.
Wow, so repeat is important.
Very important. Repeat, repeat, repeat.
Okay, so listen to the same thing many times.
Yes, don't listen to 10 different things. Listen to one thing many times.
That makes sense. What about reading?
Reading is the same. Read simple things,
Like what?
like children's books.
Children's books? Really?
Yes, they use simple words, short sentences.
Oh, that's smart.
Or read short stories for learners.
Yes, or read English subtitles when you watch videos.
Good idea. Subtitles help a lot.
Okay, here's another tip. When you read, do this.
Do what?
Read out loud.
Out loud? You mean speak the words?
Yes, don't just read in your head, say the words.
Why?
Because it helps your mouth. Your mouth learns the words.
Oh, that's good. So reading helps speaking.
Exactly, everything is connected.
Okay, let's practice now. Everyone, let's read together.
Yes, we will say a sentence. You repeat.
Ready? Here we go.
I study English every day.
Say it with us. I study English every day.
Good. Again, I study English every day.
Louder. I study English every day.
Perfect. Did you say it?
I hope you said it. Say it again now.
Okay, one more sentence.
English is fun and easy.
Repeat. English is fun and easy.
Again, English is fun and easy.
Great job. You were doing amazing.
Yes, keep practicing. Now let's talk about part 3.
Okay, part 3. Speak and write.
This is the most important part
Why?
because this is when you use English.
Ah, you don't just listen. You don't just read. You use English.
Exactly. But many people have a problem here.
What problem?
They say, I have no one to talk to. I am alone.
Ah, yes. That's a big problem.
But we have a solution.
Yes, you can talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself, really?
Yes, I do it all the time.
What do you say?
I say things about my day, like, today I will go to the store.
Oh, simple sentences.
Yes, or I say, I am making coffee now. I like coffee.
That's funny, but it works.
It works. Your mouth practices. Your brain practices.
Okay, so talk to yourself, even if you are alone.
Yes, and here's another idea. Record yourself.
Record with your phone?
Yes, open your phone, press record, talk for 1 minute, then stop.
And then?
Listen to it. Listen to your voice.
Oh, so you can hear your mistakes.
Exactly. You learn from your mistakes.
That's a great idea. Do you do this?
Yes, I record myself. Sometimes I sound bad, but that's okay.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Right, mistakes are good.
Okay, everyone, let's practice speaking now.
Yes, we will ask you questions. You answer out loud.
Ready? First question. What is your name?
Say it out loud. My name is.
Good. Next question. Where are you from?
Say it. I am from.
Excellent. One more. What do you like to do?
Answer. I like to.
Perfect. Did you answer? I hope you did.
Yes, speaking is important. Speak every day.
Even for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes.
Now let's talk about writing.
Writing. Yes, writing is also important.
But writing is hard for many people.
Yes, they think, I don't know what to write.
Okay, here's a simple idea. Write about your day.
Your day, like a diary?
Yes, a diary. Every day, write 3 sentences about your day.
Only 3?
Only 3. Very short, very simple.
Give me an example.
Okay, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast, then I studied English.
Perfect. Easy sentences.
Yes, and you can write them in a notebook.
Or on your phone.
Yes, anywhere. Just write.
Okay, so part 3 is speak and write every day.
Yes, small practice every day.
This is so good. I love this plan.
Me too. Now let's do a quick review.
Okay, review time. Let's remember the 3 parts.
Part 1?
Part 1, make a goal, a small, clear goal.
Yes, like I will learn 10 new words this week.
Perfect. Part 2,
Listen and read. Listen to simple podcasts, read simple books.
and repeat. Listen many times.
Yes. Part 3,
Speak and write. Talk to yourself, record yourself, write about your day.
excellent. These are the 3 parts.
Easy, right?
Very easy. Anyone can do this.
Yes, you don't need a teacher.
You don't need a class.
You can study alone and still improve.
Yes, just follow the plan.
Small steps every day.
Every day. That's the key.
Okay, now we have one more thing.
Yes, a challenge.
A challenge for you.
Okay, everyone, we have a challenge for you.
Yes, a 7-day challenge.
For the next 7 days, do this every day.
Step 1, listen to English for 10 minutes.
Step 2, read English for 10 minutes.
Step 3, speak English for 5 minutes. Talk to yourself.
Step 4, write 3 sentences about your day.
That's it. Every day for 7 days.
Can you do it?
I think you can. It's only 25 minutes every day.
Yes, 25 minutes. That's not long.
And after 7 days, you will feel different.
You will feel more confident.
Your English will improve.
So, will you try it?
If you will try it, write in the comments, I will do the challenge.
Yes, write it. We want to see.
And after 7 days, come back. Tell us how you feel.
Yes, we want to hear your story.
Okay, this is so exciting.
I know. I'm excited for everyone.
Okay, let's finish now.
Wow, we talked about so many things today.
Yes, we talked about studying English alone.
And we gave you a simple plan.
3 parts. Make a goal, listen and read, speak and write.
Yes, and we gave you a 7-day challenge.
Will you do it? I hope you will.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Yes, remember, small steps every day.
Don't study for 5 hours one day and then nothing for a week.
No, study a little bit every day.
Yes, every day. That's the secret.
Okay, before you go, please do 2 things.
First, click subscribe. Subscribe to our channel.
Yes, we make videos every week, new videos to help you learn English.
And second, click like. If you like this video, click the like button.
Yes, likes help us so much. They help other people find our videos.
And write in the comments, tell us what is your goal for today.
Yes, we read all the comments. We love to hear from you.
Okay, thank you so much for watching.
Yes, thank you. You are amazing.
Keep studying, keep practicing.
You are doing great. We are so proud of you.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.